You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Spanish food names, or Mexican food names, I should say, including names of chilies. How do you say it? Guajillo. Guajillo. You could replace the J from Spanish if you cannot pronounce it with an H and say Guajillo. But in Spanish, Guajillo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.